Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to add hashtags on Instagram Reels after posting them. So what I'm going to do now is go to my profile, and right here I'm just going to the Reel section. So as you can see right here, there is this reel that I have created earlier. So I'm going to tap on that. And then as you can see at the bottom right corner, there is an icon with the three dots. I'm going to hit that and then hit manage. So right here, the very first option is edit. Tap on that. And as you can see right here, you can add a caption. So I'm going to tap on this caption section right here, and I'm just going to add a hashtag. So of course you can add as many as you would like. And after that, after you insert all the hashtags that you want, you can hit this check mark button right here at the top right corner. And as you can see, the hashtag has been added to our reel. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.